Welcome to this video, the next video about the discretization of the weak formulation. Starting from the continuous weak formulation in the shape functions, we are now discretizing the function space. So this is how the Sobolev space entered the weak formulation. So more or less the continuous functions are now represented by these discrete functions as we have them here, and the discrete function spaces are now have not an unlimited number of functions, but is now a limited number of functions, and we also have a limited number of elements, or limited number of domain points where we calculate the solution variable on, and based on these two discretization concepts we are now able to define the finite element, which will be done in the next video.